In this video, we're going to build a simple and fun game using the Python Turtle library. If you've never used Turtle before, don't worry. I've created a full playlist on how to make games step by step using Turtle. You can find the link to that playlist in the video description below. All right, let's get started with this project. First, we're setting up our screen. This code creates a 600 by 600 window, gives it a title, and gets it ready for drawing. This will be our game area. So far, so good. Next, let's create our paddle, the bar that will move left and right to catch the falling ball. We make it a rectangle shape and position it near the bottom of the screen. Perfect. Let's move on. Now we're adding the ball. It starts from the top of the screen and will move downward as the game runs. When we test this, you'll see a small circle ready to fall. That's our ball. Let's also create a score display so we can track how well the player is doing. Here, we set up a hidden turtle that writes the score text on the top left corner. Great, our game's starting to come together. Next, let's make the paddle move. We define two functions, one for moving left and one for moving right, and connect them to the arrow keys on the keyboard. Now, when we run the game, we can move the paddle back and forth. Nice and smooth. Now comes the fun part, making the ball fall and interact with the paddle. We create a function that resets the ball to a random position at the top and another that shows a game over message when the player misses the ball. Then, inside our main game loop, we move the ball down every frame, check for collisions with the paddle, and update the score when the player catches it. If the ball goes off the screen, the game ends. Let's run it and see what happens. And there we go. Our catch game is working. The paddle moves, the ball falls, and the score updates each time we catch it. Everything looks good, but the game is freezing a bit. As you can see, it's not running smoothly. We need to fix that. To make the animation smoother, we'll set the tracer value to 0. This turns off the automatic screen updates so that we can manually refresh the screen only when we need to, making the game run much more fluidly. Now the game is smooth and doesn't freeze. Everything looks perfect. If you'd like to keep learning and make even cooler games with Turtle, check out the playlist I mentioned earlier. The link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Python game tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.